good on two. No, you're not. At the top of the ground, it's going to knock one down. That's a penalty of 5 seconds, total of 21-32. 21-32. Now, if they all knock one down, not likely, that'll make it an even race. I want you to watch this pretty long lady. She is a horse trainer from Hitchin. She teaches this professionally. Her and her family come from Blackfoot, Idaho. Last night, she ran a 15-15, 15-52 on this buckskin horse. And I want you to watch the way that she rides. I've been saying this for years. There have been about 3 ladies that all ride the same way she does. She is a perfect horse woman. And she owns a Jack Russell dog. You go to the left, be back to the right to finish. This little horse may not show it. Let's go, Susan.
Good job. Good job.
1591. That's smoking. Here comes the reigning champion next to go. Bertina Alderson comes from Hudson Bay, Saskatchewan. She is the reigning champion, that she won it 2 years in a row. A Calgary Stampede champion, and many times CFR contender. You're good, Bertina. You're good on 1. Stay up on 2. Get the whip down. Kick. 16-31. Gotta put her in contention. 16-31. She's got a 13 and a 35. Lynette Broadway from Brooks. Here is a Canadian champion as well. And the lady voted last year the Cowgirl of the Year of all Canadian pro wrestling. Nice. Oh, we got one more in here. Now, eliminating. Guess what? You got a new leader by, well, 10-100s. That's close. That's what it is, electronic time. All right, Maggie Robinson comes from one of the biggest rodeos in the States in Caldwell, Idaho. She has run a 16-20. Nice start. Look at this little mouse red horse, get around. Can he run? Right here is where we test it. 16-13. They're all running pretty tight. Even with the penalty and all to go. That was a 16-32 plus 5. Lisa Zakota lives in Okotoks. This lady's run a 16.05 and a 16.15. Let's see how this is going to work. As of right now, Lynette Broadway giving the lead. Sue Smith, you're running second. There's still a $14,000 check. Wide on the first turn. You're good. You just don't want to cover too much real estate. 16-20. 16-20. Vanessa Leggett. Her mother was a champion here about 10 years ago. This lady is a registered nurse in a hospital in Kamloops. I've got the last 2 ladies to go, both from British Columbia. Here you go, Dr. Nurse. Watch his little horse scoot between the barrels. Are you ready? Get the box. It just kept getting better, and I'll tell you how good the ground is. How good the ground is when you get to number 7. They set the fast time. Brooke Wills from Aris, BC. Her sister was here in a previous competition. Now she is a 2-time qualifier in the Canadian Finals in Edmonton. This is not a rookie. Well, I'm going to go back unofficially, and I'm going to 1574. Guess what? 2 generations have now won the Cloverdale Rodeo.